Hey guys, today we're playing Slender The Arrival. But today, I'm only doing the trial version because I don't feel like paying for it. Yeah. Let's begin. I've never played Slender. Actually, no, that's a lie. I have. Why do they... Why do they let you do this? I'm just gonna like cheat. No, I'm just joking. That's as good as I can see it. And I'm doing it brighter for you guys to see because you guys might not be able to see that well. It won't even let me hit... oh wait, no, it will. Start game! Here we go. I don't want to do this, but here we go. I am going to be jumping back because I'm going to get scared easily. May not be roaming the park after Siri. Oh. I had to. What? Why are we... Why... Hold LT to run. I'm afraid. Sorry about that pause. Well, hold on. You guys can't see what I'm doing. Oh, there we go. Why can't I just... Why can't I just go that way? Come on. Why can't I just do this? See, I can just leave. There's no jumping. Which stinks. Why am I here anyways? Come on. Why am I here? I don't want to be here. Oh, I don't want to be here. I'm not in the mood to be here. Yeah, I'm definitely not in the mood to be here. And as you can hear, there's somebody behind me. In real life, not in the game. Say hi. You can also tell them your channel name, jeez. It's already been 2 minutes into this. That's weird.
Point of this game. I'll get what?
Well, we have to run away from Slender. He's not here yet.
Does it tell you like when he comes?
No. You have to figure out that by yourself.
The game really is scary.
You want to try playing? Too bad I don't have a face cam. Once I get over here, it turns dark. I'm scared.
I think that means Slenderman's coming out.
Why are you whispering?
I
Talk normal. Here, you get the button.
don't know.
This is the sprint button right here. And then everything else. There's no jumping, so. Right now, I'm not playing.
I'll get this.
I think that's a note right there on the tree. Turn around. Right there, do you see it? Go up to it and see what it is. Okay. Whoa. You want to sit in the gaming chair?
You can use out. See the point of that.
No. You get the play.
I just want to play in the game. What's the point of that game?
Really? You don't see a point? It's a horror game.
I know, but basically you just...
No. Slenderman's gonna come soon.
No. I'm a spider.
Here. Play. You can see. My heart is racing right now. I'm afraid he's just gonna pop out of nowhere.
I think it would be the opposite. I feel like right now I should be the one who's like, oh my god, where is he? But no. No.
Bye.
Wait, I think text. Wait,
Do you see Tall Man?
I saw like a white circle. It looked like a face.
Here, you get the play. I'm holding down B right now.
Why?
Because I'm crouching. So you want to play?
Wait, the white circle disappeared. Oh, God, I'm scared.
You got scared
Offense.
of a fence? But, oh my god. Are you okay? It's already been 5 minutes. I'm gonna laugh if you just die. First, I'm gonna get wicked scared. What if you turn the corner and he's there?
I should call this number.
Oh my god. Are you being serious? In real life, she's gonna take out her phone and call the number. Here, you get the sit in the gaming
No, I
chair.
don't want to play.
No, please.
555 7275. I know my number. Turn on speaker.
Welcome to Sprint 411. For English, press 1 or stay on the line. Para español, oprima el número 2.
What?
Here.
What? Hello?
Well, I'm gonna end the episode here because I'm too scared to keep playing.